How to restore a wallet after reinstalling TokenPocket. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Reinstalling your wallet app can feel stressful, but don't worry. As long as you have the recovery details, getting your wallet back is totally doable. For those who have not backed up their recovery phrases, first of all launch open TokenPocket application and then from the main home page after logged in, go ahead and tap on the Me button at the bottom right corner and click on Manage Wallets. Inside Manage Wallets, select one of your wallets and then click on Export Recovery Phrase. Now click Next and then enter your wallet's password to reveal your recovery phrases. Now your backup recovery phrases will be given on the next page. Click on Copy Recovery Phrases, check on all of these boxes and click Confirm to copy, and then write down your recovery phrases or paste it in a secluded folder. You can also go open up the Notes app and paste in the recovery phrases in it. Once you've backed up your recovery phrases, now even if you uninstall the application or log out of your wallet, you can restore your wallet with the recovery phrases. In order to do that, first of all launch open the TokenPocket application. If you've deleted the app, download it from your Google Play Store or your App Store and launch it open. Once you open up the TokenPocket application, and you'll see this interface. Here, go ahead and tap on I already have a wallet to import your existing wallet. Now, go to Set Password at the top and type down a new password you want to set for your wallet. Confirm the password by re-entering it again on the next field. And finally, click on this I have agree and red circle at the bottom and click Confirm Create. Now select your network on the next page. So now this is where you enter your recovery phrases. Go find your seed phrases from the backup that you previously put it on and enter it in the correct order in the text box. You can also paste it in if you can copy that. And once you do, go to the next field and set your HD wallet name. Type in your new name for your wallet. Click on I have read and agree circle at the bottom and click Confirm. Now on the next page, choose the network you want to add in your wallet and click Continue. Wait until your wallet generates and once it's done, click Confirm. On the next page, you will see your wallet restored even after reinstalling TokenPocket application. You've successfully restored your TokenPocket wallet. It might seem tricky at first, but once you've done it, it becomes much easier next time. Just make sure you back up your seed phrases and you are good to go. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.